Hey there, welcome to another video. Today we're diving into a common problem that many laptop users face, the dreaded buzzing sound in your microphone when plugged into electricity. You see, this buzzing issue can really put a damper on your audio quality, making your recordings sound less than stellar. But see or not, we're here to help you understand why this problem occurs and what you can do to fix it once and for all. Now, let's talk about the solution to this pesky buzzing problem. The root cause of the buzzing lies in what is known as dirty electricity, which can not only affect your audio, but also damage your laptop's electronic circuitry. If your power source is a generator, your best bet is to either upgrade to a generator that produces clean electricity with sine wave output, or use a power conditioner to clean the power before it reaches your laptop. By addressing the quality of your electricity, you can eliminate the buzzing noise and improve the overall function of your laptop. In summary, dealing with the buzzing sound in your microphone goes beyond just improving your audio quality. It's crucial to address the root cause of the issue by ensuring the electricity powering your laptop is clean and stable. Remember, a healthier power source means a healthier laptop in the long run. Thanks for tuning in, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe, like, and drop us a comment with your thoughts. Until next time, happy troubleshooting.